Yeah, hi, Kev here from Prompt Parts. Today I wanted to discuss a bit of a project that I'm doing with my grandson. Our family's been in the boating business for a long time, and it's the school holidays. I've got my grandson. We're outboard motor people, and I wanted to share a little bit of my experience and history with my grandson.
Hello, my name is Tommy and I'm 12 years old, and my granddad has got a motor to help me rebuild it and hop on the river with a little dinghy. My interests, I really like fishing and I like to ride my dirt bike.
Tom had come along to work and school holidays, and providing we can keep him interested in it, we'll go through this project from getting this outboard motor ready to finding a boat that we can put it on, and maybe even going down to the river and having a wee bit of a play with it, if we can keep him tied to doing it.
I probably won't get distracted, but no guarantees. We're on our way to pick up this outboard motor that we just got. I hope it's going to be alright and it's not going to be too broken.
Hopefully we can make something out of it.
Are we there yet?
Not far away.
Oh.
Hey Tom, can you grab us a stand for this, please?
I'm here.
Cool. Well, here we are. It's sort of not quite what I expected. It's got a lot of bits missing, and it looks like it needs a bit of work. But I think we can make something happen with it. What do you reckon, Tom?
Granddad, I don't think this is going to work. What were you thinking?
Oh, it's what we got to work with, mate.
Okay.
We can put some lipstick on it, I suppose, and
Make it pretty?
yeah, make
Okay.
it pretty. Join us for part 2.